We are here at Safran Aircraft Engine Services Brussels, located at the Brussels Airport. Safran, with 250 employees, specialises in MRO activities for the aircraft engines. Safran now has 7 modular units which can meet different demands and can be used in a wide range of applications. Safran's first goal was to bring the parts closer to the engineers to allow them to be able to intervene more quickly on the engines and also to help save space. Traceability, picking optimization, no picking errors and stock management convinced Safran to install 3 additional machines for consumable item storage. The picking order is established by the WMS, which results in the correct modular trays coming out to allow the products to be picked. Who, what, when, look for a product visually. Modular means security, accuracy, efficiency.